This powerful reversal indicator on TradingView uses a mix of support and resistance levels to pinpoint accurate market turning points. By analyzing price action and momentum shifts, it predicts when the market is likely to reverse. And the best part, it doesn't repaint, meaning the signals stay consistent. You can use it across any time frame. You'll learn how to use this tool to boost your trading skills and potentially achieve consistent daily profits. And here's the secret: no single free indicator can guarantee long-term trading success. That's why we're pairing this free indicator with one of the most accurate indicators on TradingView, used by over 100,000 traders worldwide. Together, they create a powerful strategy for precise trade entries and exits. If you're excited about learning this powerful strategy, don't forget to leave a like. All right, without further ado, let's get straight into it. To get started, we need to set up our indicators on TradingView, the platform I'll be using for this strategy. First, load the trading security you want to work with. I'm using the 3 minutes time frame for XRP to showcase today's strategy. However, this strategy can be applied to various assets and time frames with the proper adjustments. To add the first indicator to your chart, head over to the Indicators section and search for Reversal Signal by LuxAlgo. Once it pops up, click to apply it. This tool is designed to help spot when a trend is losing strength and a potential reversal is about to occur. Unlike many indicators that work well in trending markets but falter in sideways markets, this counter-trend tool is built to handle both conditions effectively. Now, let's tweak the settings. Open the indicator settings, but don't worry. There's nothing to adjust in the Input tab. Switch to the Style tab instead and follow closely. Disable the unnecessary options and make sure to keep these 4 enabled. Perfect bullish momentum phases, resistance levels, perfect bearish momentum phases, and support levels. Feel free to pause the video and take a snapshot for reference. Once you're done, apply the changes and let the chart update. Next, let's talk about using this indicator for trade entries. For this example, we'll stick to the 3-minute time frame, but you can adjust it based on your trading style or preferences. For a buy trade, there are 2 main conditions to watch for. First, look at the green line, which acts as a support level and signals bullish momentum in the market. When you see this green line, it's often followed by a green signal. This indicates a high chance of the market reversing upward. Enter the trade on a new candle and you'll notice the market pulling back from this level. For a sell trade, the setup is almost identical, but it works in the opposite direction. Look for the red resistance line. Once it appears, wait for a red signal which marks the potential reversal point. Enter the trade on a fresh candle and you'll see the market making a downward move. Now let's look at an example. Here's a buy trade. We have a green signal and a clear support line below it. We enter on a fresh candle and as expected, the market moves up. An easy profit. For the sell example, notice this clean resistance line. We wait for a pullback and the red reversal signal. Once it shows up, we open the trade on a fresh candle and watch the market drop. While we've explored how this indicator works, it's important to remember that no single free indicator can guarantee consistent profits. Even with its accuracy, a lot of false signals can still happen. That's why we'll be using this as a secondary confirmation tool in our strategy. Now let's introduce the main indicator that will make this setup far more reliable. To add the main indicator to your chart, go to Indicators and search for Signals and Overlays by LuxAlgo. This is a premium indicator, and you can test it risk-free for 30 days using my special link. Once you've found it, click to add it to your chart. Now at this point, I know you may be thinking, but what exactly is the Signals and Overlays indicator? This toolkit from LuxAlgo is the most popular for a reason. It's packed with features designed for every trading style. It starts with a wide variety of presets and filters, tailored for trend traders, scalpers, swing traders, or even those who prefer trading against the trend. These presets ensure that no matter your approach, you'll find a setup that fits your style. It also includes machine learning signals, buy and sell signals, and candle coloring that adapts based on market conditions. The candle coloring uses green, red, and purple to indicate strong bullish, strong bearish, and retracement signals, making it easy to spot opportunities and understand market sentiment at a glance. Next are the indicator overlays like the Smart Trail, Neo Cloud, and Reversal Zones, which provide dynamic support and resistance levels. The Smart Trail adapts to market volatility, acting as both a trailing stop and an additional confluence for entries and exits. The Neo Cloud, similar to the Ichimoku Cloud, highlights trend strength and direction, while the reversal zones help traders pinpoint potential tops and bottoms for precise trade execution. For beginner traders, the toolkit also comes with automatic take profit and stop loss levels. These levels, displayed in real time, adjust based on conditions like buy and sell signals, indicator overlays, or even custom criteria you set in the alert creator. This feature not only simplifies trade management, but also helps new traders develop a disciplined approach. In the advanced settings, there's an autopilot sensitivity option, which adjusts the candle coloring and buy-sell signals depending on whether you prefer more or fewer trading opportunities to appear on your chart. Short-term settings highlight faster signals for scalpers, while long-term options provide smoother trends for swing traders. This level of customization ensures the indicator aligns perfectly with your goals. Finally, the toolkit includes a dashboard for quick trend and volatility insights, and a custom alert creator with extensive options. These features allow you to automate parts of your trading process, ensuring you don't need to monitor the charts constantly, or even integrate the toolkit into bot trading strategies. Alright, now that we understand how this indicator works, let's fine-tune its settings to align perfectly with today's strategy. Start by adjusting the settings in the Basic Settings section. Set presets and filters to none, and signal mode to none as well. Leave the ML signal classifier disabled, and for candle coloring, choose Confirmation Simple. For signal sensitivity, stick with the default value of 12. Next, go to the Indicator Overlay section, disable the Smart Trail and enable the reversal zones, set their reactivity to 1. Finally, scroll down to the Dashboard section and set the dashboard location to Hidden. Once you've made all the adjustments, click OK to save your settings. Now that the settings are configured, let's dive into the strategy and look at an example of a buy trade to see how everything works in action. For a valid buy trade, there are 3 key rules to follow. Rule number 1. The green support line must be located below the current price action. Rule number 2. The reversal signals indicator should print a green entry signal. And finally, rule number 3. The candlestick must be colored purple or green by the signals and overlays indicator. If the candle is red, the setup becomes invalid immediately. Once all 3 rules are met, you can confidently enter a buy trade. Set your stop loss just below the green support line or within the lower reversal zone. You can choose the top or the middle of the reversal zone depending on your risk tolerance and the market's volatility. Here's how it works. If the price action is highly volatile and the green support line is too close to the current price, use the top of the green reversal band. If the top is also too close, go with the middle of the reversal band, which is where the dark green transitions into light green. However, if the reversal bands are too far away, stick with the green support line or even the most recent swing low as an alternative. For profit taking, aim for a 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio to maximize returns. And just like that, you've executed a high risk-reward trade using a simple yet effective method. And here's another example of a buy setup. First, the green support line appeared below the current price action, fulfilling rule number 1. Then, the reversal signals indicator printed a green entry signal, meeting rule number 2. Finally, the candlestick wasn't colored red, confirming rule number 3. For the stop loss, use the method I explained in the previous buy example. For profit taking, aim for a 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio to maximize returns. And just like that, this strategy proves once again how effective and reliable it is for spotting high-probability trades. Now that we've covered how to identify and execute a buy trade, let's shift our focus to sell trades. The process is similar, but with conditions tailored to spotting bearish opportunities. For a valid sell trade, there are 3 key rules to follow. Condition number 1 requires the red resistance line to be located above the current price action. For condition number 2, the reversal signals indicator should print a red entry signal. And finally, for the last condition, the candlestick must be colored purple or red by the signals and overlays indicator. If the candle is green, the setup becomes invalid immediately. Once all 3 conditions are met, you can confidently enter a sell trade. Set your stop loss just above the resistance line or within the upper reversal zone. Depending on your risk tolerance and the market's volatility, you can choose the low or the middle of the reversal zone. Let's break it down. If the price action is highly volatile and the red resistance line is too close to the current price, use the low of the red reversal band. If the low is also too close, go with the middle of the band, where the dark red transitions into light red. However, if the reversal bands are too far away, stick with the red resistance line or even the most recent swing high as an alternative. For profit taking, aim for a 1-to-3 risk-to-reward ratio to maximize returns. And with this approach, you're trading smarter, not harder, while keeping a high risk-reward ratio. And here's another example of a sell setup. First, the red resistance line appeared above the current price action, fulfilling condition number 1. Then, the reversal signals indicator printed a red entry signal, meeting condition number 2. Finally, the candlestick was colored red, confirming condition number 3. For the stop loss, use the method I explained in the previous sell example. For profit taking, aim for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio to maximize returns. And just like that, this strategy proves once again how effective and consistent it is for identifying profitable trade opportunities. Feel free to adjust the settings to suit your personal trading style. Make sure to follow the steps I've outlined in the video, and don't hesitate to rewatch any sections if you need a refresher. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.